Yeah.
I like to smoke on just pull down driveway. No, they didn't roll for shit. What? Don't like the grass on fire.
Oh shit. That's fucking hilarious. I'm just waiting for something bad to happen to
That's
this.
why I'm sitting up here. I mean, hell, when we were kids, man, we used to get the PVC pipes and
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Shit, but that shit's illegal now,
shoot
isn't
them
it?
at each other.
Yeah. So you can't get those M90s or whatever they were,
Oh
fucking
no, we would just
M80s.
take the whistlers. You know,
Yeah.
the black, you know, the whistlers seem to fly straighter, faster.
Yeah.
We literally just shoot them at each other.
Mhm.
We'd even set up like little forts, like on separate corners of the street. Like you weren't allowed to like leave a certain area.
Oh shit! Awesome. I thought she was about to fucking catch on fire for a second, dude.
We'd be on separate corners of my parents' street, and we literally like you weren't allowed to leave your little area. So we throw like
you
we throw
do another
fires and
one.
smoke bombs all at once, and then just start firing bottle rockets at them.
Yeah, dude. They don't do that anymore, really.
Honey, did you do that?